You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, look, it's Mary, Burnt Barrel Barbecue Company. We're back at it. Today is a nice warm day. And today we're doing breakfast. You guys might not believe it, but we're doing it on my 28-inch Blackstone griddle. Had some sales. Nobody really knows about it, so they're not really flooding us on their business, but we've had some business. The stuff is good. Look at these hats, folks. Nice. Selling them. Nice hats. Yeah, it's still kind of, today's what, Tuesday? Yeah, so.
I think so.
Yeah, we think it's Tuesday.
Finally got some nice weather.
So I was so excited last night about coming here. I woke up at 1:30 in the morning, couldn't go back to sleep. Had my alarm set for 4. Alan said, have your hind end here at 6. I was here. What, about 5:40 or so, but.
Well,
we'll just call it 6.
Paul, you'll get used to it. You'll learn to fall asleep. Go to bed early, get up, at the right time. But
yeah, and that process is called fatigue.
Yeah, yeah. It's the excitement of getting up that early won't last too long.
I love it. I'll always be excited, Alan.
Yeah, well, good.
Little lady won't let me miss too much church though, but yeah. I can always come afterwards if I'm needed.
Sure. Yeah, don't want to be missing church.
Don't want to mess with a little lady. That's what it is.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at what we got. Always fun to show it. There's Mary. She's doing her accounting numbers. She's crunching numbers, I think. Right here. Yeah, we're getting ready for lunch. I think lunch is officially open. Pulled pork. We got the brisket, got the chopped chicken, beans, and mac and cheese. I'm telling you folks, it's fun. Having the time of my life working with some, this ain't work. What am I talking about work? Having the time of my life being out here with some great people. What else could you ask for? So do you think the fire is just kind of damp wood, or is it the wind, or a little bit of both?
It's the wood. The wind, I don't mind at all. Actually, the wind kind of keeps it going. It's just the wood. It's the rain.
What kind of wood is it?
This is cherry.
Cherry, yeah, and cherry's great.
Yeah, it smells so good when you get downwind of it.
Right.
If you stand a ways, you can smell it. It smells so good. I don't know. I remember when I was young, the old guys would have those pipes.
Yeah. The cherry.
Yeah.
The cherry.
And it would smell so good. That's what it reminds me of. So when I was a little kid and would smell that. And it's about the only smoke I'm not allergic to.
Any other kind of smoke I'm against entirely. It's detrimental, in my opinion.
Yeah, the smoke. It's funny because, especially when I was young, I was allergic to everything.
Right.
Any kind of smoke, but the old guys with those pipes, I could sit around that and smell it all day and it wouldn't bother me.
Right. So, like my Grand Champ, the CHAR-GRILLER Grand Champ, other people that own them, they're all so worried about losing smoke in their smoker. We're losing some smoke there, and it don't mean anything.
No.
I don't think we're actually losing. I think it's coming from the stack, but it is coming out a little bit. But
yeah, once in a while you'll see it, come out of the. But people go way too crazy about losing smoke.
Oh, you got to burn a little bit more wood, I guess, huh?
Your weekend warriors type people.
Yeah.
They read into too much.
Right.
You start doing it, and you'll realize what actually means something. And
Only mods I've made to my smoker is I put those thermometers on there. And Alan doesn't look at thermometers really. He just cooks it, and he goes by eye and
feel
and taste. Yeah, great day here. We're about probably get a rush here, so I better end this one. And Alan and I thank you for watching. So till next time, I'm Paul.